Good morning, students. To achieve a target, three things are very important: determination, discipline, and how hard work. किसी लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करने के लिए निर्णय जो है, दृढ़ निर्णय सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है। उसी के साथ अनुशासन और आपकी कठिन मेहनत, ये यदि तीनों एक साथ मिल जाए तो जो आपने लक्ष्य डिसाइड किया है वो जरूर प्राप्त होगा। सो गुड मॉर्निंग, आई होप you all are well and doing mathematics comfortably. Till date, we have done how to find the equation of tangent and normal when Cartesian equation of curve and polar equation of curve be given. Yesterday, we completed length of tangent, length of normal, length of subtangent, and length of subnormal, but when the equation of Cartesian curve is given. We will repeat all the things but by taking equation of polar curves. So let us see. Suppose this is the curve. Here is the point P, coordinates r comma theta, curve, polar curve, and you people know that equation is in terms of r and theta. I write a particular example. Suppose it is 2a upon r equals to 1 plus cos theta. As you remember, this is the polar curve, so this is the initial line. प्रारंभिक रेखा, initial line. This is the fixed point O. This is the pole. Remember it. And this point is joined to this. Then you know that this is theta and this distance is r. Theta, this OP is radius vector and theta is vectoral angle in anticlockwise direction. Again, this is the tangent. स्पर्शरेखा किसके ऊपर है? P के ऊपर. Angle made by the tangent with x-axis और initial line is taken as x-axis. यदि प्रारंभिक रेखा को मैं x-axis मानता हूँ तो इसके यहाँ परपेंडिकुलर लाइन होगी, वो y-axis होगी, तो इससे पास होगी. और स्पर्श रेखा इस लाइन के साथ जो एंगल बनाती है वो हम साई से डिनोट करते हैं. दिस इज एंगल साई. नाउ देयर इज वन more important angle. This is between the radius vector, this yellow line, and the blue line. That means here it is, this angle. Remember, याद रखना है, OP जो है वो रेडियस वेक्टर है, OP. of point P. This is the radius vector of point P having coordinates r comma theta, and this is the tangent. Sparshrekha. So this is the angle between the radius vector and the tangent, and this angle is denoted by the letter, the symbol that is phi. Okay. Remember, we are not doing the algebra. In algebra, you know that in set theory, phi, that is the empty set, रिक्त समुच्चय. यहाँ पर ये रिक्त समुच्चय नहीं है. यहाँ पर हमने एंगल को डिनोट किया है इस सिंबल से. ये स्पर्श रेखा ने जब एक्स एक्सिस के साथ में कोण बनाया है, ये वेक्टोरियल एंगल है, ध्यान रखना थीटा. और ये जो फाई है वो रेडियस वेक्टर और टेंजेंट स्पर्श रेखा के बीच का एंगल है. तो ये तीनों एंगल जो है वो इंपॉर्टेंट है, थीटा, फाई और साइन. सो हियर इट इज फाई, angle between the radius vector and tangent drawn at P, that is r comma theta. फाई जो एंगल है वो रेडियस वेक्टर और स्पर्श रेखा के बीच में है, और वो स्पर्श रेखा कहाँ पर है, वो पॉइंट P पर है. पॉइंट P कहाँ पर है, वो कर्व के ऊपर है. कर्व की इक्वेशन कौन सी, ध्रुवीय पोलर इक्वेशन, जिसकी इक्वेशन r और थीटा में है. एग्जांपल के लिए मैंने लिख दिया 2a अपॉन r इक्वल्स 1 प्लस cos थीटा. नाउ look at this triangle. This one, this, and here it is. So this angle is phi, this is theta, and this is psi. Okay, now this is a triangle. We know that psi equals to theta plus phi. बहिष्कोण, बाहरी कोण, बहिष्कोण इज सम ऑफ इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट एंगल. ये साई है तो ये 180 माइनस साई होगा, और तीनों ट्राइंगल के एंगल का सम होता है वो 180 डिग्री होता है. तो आप ये रिलेशनशिप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. सो दिस साई इज इक्वल्स टू थीटा प्लस फाई. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस रिलेशनशिप यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. वन मोर रिजल्ट दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, वी विल नॉट डिराइव दिस वन. Also, tan phi is r times d theta by dr. Remember this result. Just like you remember tan psi, tan psi is dy by dx. Remember, tan phi is r d theta by dr. Be careful. Again, I repeat. Tan phi is given by r d theta upon dr, and tan psi is dy by dx. Tan psi means slope of the tangent. स्पर्श रेखा की प्रवणता. ये प्रवणता नहीं दे रही है. tan phi किससे, इसमें phi क्या है, phi is the angle between the radius vector and the tangent. Okay, so be careful. Now we consider one example. So there are three angles. One is theta, that is vectorial angle. One is phi, that is the angle between the tangent and the radius vector, and angle psi, that is tangent makes with x-axis or initial line. Find the angle between radius vector and tangent drawn at any point remember, to the curve. First I write r equals a times 1 plus cos theta, I write some, and second I write 2a upon r equals 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Curve is r equals a times 1 plus cos theta. This we have already done, and you remember this is the equation of cartesian. We just go through first or second video of this particular. So curve is r equals to a 1 plus cos theta, and what is asked? Find the angle between radius vector and the tangent. That means phi is asked. हमें phi पूछा गया है. And what is the formula? Tan phi is r d theta by dr. This is the formula. So here we have relationship in r and theta. So on differentiating with respect to theta, we get dr by d theta equals to a, this is 0 minus sin theta, so this is minus a the sin theta. Okay. Therefore, d theta by dr, that is 1 upon minus a sin theta. Now, tan phi equals to r d theta by dr. So this is r means a times 1 plus cos theta, and this is minus a times sin theta. Now you must remember trigonometry. There are two important results of trigonometry. Remember, one is 1 plus cos 2a, that is 2 cos square, 1 minus cos 2a, that is 2 sin square, and sin 2a, that is 2 sin a cos a. These results are very important in class 11th. These are very important results of trigonometry. You have to remember by heart. Tips पे याद होना चाहिए. So we are getting tan phi equals minus 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. Minus as it is, this is 1 plus cos theta. It is 2a, then it is converted into a. That is half angle. So this is 2 cos square, half of this is theta by 2. In the similar way, sin 2a, this is 2a, it is converted into half. Half of 2 is a, so here it is theta. So it is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. इतना मैथमेटिक्स आपको आना चाहिए. ये बेसिक्स है. यदि आपको ये नहीं आता है तो मैथ छोड़ दो, फिर आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते फिर. So this is very important. This is minus cot theta by 2. Now this side it is tan, this side it is cot. So we convert it into tan. So this is tan pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Tan 90 plus second quadrant negative. Here it is, and tan is converted into cot. So it is this one. So tan phi equals to this one. So this implies phi equals pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So this way we can find the angle phi. It is given by pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Okay, now we come to the second example, that is 2a upon r equals 1 plus cos theta. Second part, curve is 2a upon r equals 1 plus cos theta. Remember, this is parabola. ये आना चाहिए, आपको रिकग्नाइज करना आना चाहिए, पहचान कौन आना चाहिए। जैसे इक्वेशन लिखी दिमाग में दौड़ना चाहिए कि किस कर्व की इक्वेशन, उसका नाम मालूम होना चाहिए और उसका डायग्राम, यदि वो स्टैंडर्ड कर्व है तो। ये मैं बता चुका हूँ आपको, कई बार मैंने रिपीट किया है, आपको ये देखना है कि पैराबोला की इक्वेशन है। नाउ दिस इज 2a upon r equals to 1 plus cos theta. So on differentiating with respect to theta, we get 2a is constant. This is written as 2a times 1 by r equals to 1 plus cos theta. So this is the constant. Now differentiation of 1 by r is minus 1 upon r square. याद होना चाहिए आपको। d by dx of 1 upon x, that is d by dx of x to the power minus 1, it is minus 1 x to the power minus 1 minus 1. It is minus 1 upon x square. Power formula. So differentiation of this one is minus 1 upon x square. Here differentiation is with respect to theta. So differentiation of 1 by r with respect to r, with respect to x, minus 1 by x square. So with respect to r, minus 1 by r square and dr by d theta, because we are differentiating with respect to theta. It is just like d by dx of y square, then differentiation of y square is 2y, then y again differentiated, it is dy by dx. This basic knowledge is required to do mathematics, calculus. This side it is 0, it is minus sin theta. So this implies dr by d theta equals negative negative cancelled out, and we are getting this is r square sin theta upon 2a. Now tan phi is r d theta by dr. So this is r. Now remember, this is d theta by dr and here it is dr by theta. So reciprocal this 2a upon r square sin theta. So this is 2a by r into 1 upon sin theta. This r and this part is cancelled out. Now what is 2a upon r? In the equation you can find 2a upon r is 1 plus cos theta. So this is 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. Exactly like this. Here it is negative sign, there is no negative sign. So it is 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. So I am getting this is cot theta by 3. Straightforward. It will be this. And this is tan pi by 2 minus theta by 2. In first quadrant, tan is positive, it is pi by 2, so it will be converted into cot. Therefore, phi equals to pi by 2 minus theta by 2. That is this. So, beautifully we have done. When the curve is given in polar form, we can find the angle between the radius vector and the tangent. Now we do one application that is generally used in competitive examinations. Okay, let us see. You remember we have done one particular question to find the equation of tangent when polar equation is given. Yesterday it was discussed. Today I also discussed this question, but in new style. Okay, so let us see. This is not given in the book, but very important. First I write the question so you can recognize this. Find the equation of tangent to the curve 1 upon r equals 1 plus cos theta at theta equals pi by 3. Method first. General method. Recall, theta equals pi by 3. P theta is pi by 3. So theta is pi by 3. Put pi by 3 here. Cos pi by 3, cos 60, 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. So 1 by r is 3 by 2, so r is 2 by 3. So this point is 2 by 3, pi by 3. याद रखना है आपको. Cartesian coordinates. X equals r cos theta. What is r? 2 by 3, and this is 1 by 2, so it is 1 by 3. And y equals to r sin theta, 2 by 3, then it is root 3 by 2, so it is 1 by 3. So coordinates are 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Then you can find dy by dx. Okay, remember dy by dx will be dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. It is a time consuming, but the answer was minus root 3. Equation of this tangent, that is y minus y1, slope minus root 3, x minus 1 by 3, x coordinate. So after simplifying, this is 3x plus root 3 by equals to 2. And polar equation, polar form, if you remember, this is 1 upon r equals to cos theta plus cos theta minus r. ये हमने पिछले 2 वीडियोस में किया था। मेथड फर्स्ट जो कि जनरल मेथड है, मेथड 2 जो था वो केवल मेथड 2 ओनली फॉर कोनिक, जिसका इक्वेशन L by R equals to 1 plus E cos theta. So tangent at theta, L by R equals to cos theta, tangent at theta equals to alpha. So it is cos theta plus E cos theta plus cos theta minus alpha. Remember, this is the general method. Any polar equation is given, any polar equation, not necessarily this one, cardioid or any other, then we can use this particular one. But find Cartesian coordinates, then dy by dx. This is time consuming method, but in competitive examination, if you recognize that, oh, this is the conic, then you just remember this is the equation of tangent, this one. And here it is theta equals to pi by 3, so you just write theta equals to pi by 3. Here L means it is 1, A, this is the parabola, so here coefficient of cos E, that is 1 here, so this is 1, and alpha is given pi by 3. So without using pen or pencil, we can write the equation of tangent, that is 1 upon r cos theta plus cos theta minus pi by 3. Cartesian equation was obtained. We can convert this Cartesian equation into this particular form. Now method third. To find the slope, actually in third method we reduce the time while calculating dy by dx. And what is dy by dx? Slope of tangent, that is tan psi. So we calculate the angle psi by using the previous article. So let us say alternative method. Okay. Curve is 1 upon r equals to 1 plus cos theta on differentiating with respect to theta. So it is minus 1 upon r square equals to minus sin theta. So this implies d by d theta. This implies d r by d theta equals to r square sin theta. It is this. Therefore, tan phi is r d theta by dr. So it is r upon r square sin theta, because it is d theta by dr and this is dr by d theta. So this is 1 upon r sin theta, and 1 by r is given 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta, and this is cot theta by 2. When we simplify this, we have already done. So tan phi is this, it is cos, it is tan phi by 2 minus theta. Look at this. Therefore, phi equals to pi by 2 minus theta by 2. This we have already done just before. Now we can find the angle psi. So you people know that. What is psi? That is theta plus phi. It is theta plus phi we have calculated. It is pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So this is pi by 2 plus theta by 2. But theta equals to pi by 3 given. Theta is pi by 3. Look at. Therefore, theta is pi by 3. Therefore, psi equals to. This is 60 degree. Okay. So this is pi by 2. Theta is pi by 3. So it is pi by 6. This is 90 and this is 30. So it is 2 pi by 3. 120 degrees. So what is the angle made by the tangent with x-axis? That is 2 pi by 3. So the slope of tangent, that is tan psi, that is tan 2 pi by 3, that is minus tan pi by 3, and that is minus root 3. Look at this. Here it is. आगे की कहानी आपको मालूम है कि टेंजेंट का इक्वेशन जो है वो कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है. मेरा जो एम था वो dy बाई डी एक्स कैलकुलेट करना था. मैं dy बाई डी थीटा कैलकुलेट कर सकता हूँ यहाँ से. dy बाई डी थीटा, आर और थीटा में दो वेरिएबल है, इसलिए डी थीटा के रेस्पेक्ट में करूँगा तो एक बार डी आर बाई डी थीटा आएगा, एक बार थीटा के रेस्पेक्ट में आऊँगा, क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट है ये थोड़ा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है. हाँ, यदि आप इसको फाई कैलकुलेट कर लेते हो ईजीली, आपको ये कैलकुलेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी. एक मेथड है जैसे आप देख सकते हो कि साई मैंने किस तरह से कैलकुलेट किया है, और इसका जो एंगल बना है दैट इज 2 पाई बाई 3. साई जो है वो 2 पाई बाई 3 है. 120 डिग्री, tan 120 डिग्री, दैट इज माइनस tan 60, and tan 60 is root 3, so it is minus root 3, and here also the slope is minus root 3. So this is the alternative method. Now if we look at the graph, then we find what is going on. Look at the graph of this. Graph is not required, but you just remember it. Here it is. Look at this equation. Theta 0 degree 0. Then 1 cos 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is 1 by r, that is 1 plus cos theta. So this is, if you write cos 0, then cos 0 is 1. So this is 1. So it is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. So r is 1 by 2, and it is 0 degree on top. It is 1. Here it is half. Okay, and theta is pi by 2, then cos pi by 2 is 0. Cos pi by 2 is 0, so it passes through this point. It is symmetrical. This is parabola. Okay, now tangent is drawn at pi by 3. So here is the point. Radius vector, this is the radius vector. So tangent is this is the tangent at this point. is 2 power 3. This we have calculated, that is theta is given. This is this angle is power 3. Okay, and phi we have calculated. You look at this. Phi is pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So theta by 2 is pi by 6. That is pi by 3. So this is pi by 3. So it is also pi by 3. This angle. This is also pi by 3. So phi is pi by 3. Theta is pi by 3. And this is theta plus phi. It is 2 pi by 3. So look at the geometry. This is theta, this is phi, and this angle is psi. So this is this triangle is these two angles. So this angle and this angle both are equal. So this is isosceles triangle, समद्विबाहु त्रिभुज. तो कई सारी बातें जब आप डायग्राम बनाते हो तब आप देख पाते हो कि क्या हो रहा है. और यहाँ जो इसकी इक्वेशन है टेंजेंट की, दैट इज 3x प्लस रूट 3y इक्वल्स टू 2. ये है कार्टेशियन. एंड पोलर 1/r equals to cos theta plus cos theta minus pi. So this is the Cartesian equation of the tangent, and this is the polar equation of the tangent. So beautifully we have done. We just revise all these concepts because they are very helpful in competitive examination and university examination also. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.